Color-coated steel sheet is based on galvanized steel or galvalume steel. Apply one or more layers of liquid paint on it. We call it PPGI or PPGL for short. The color-coated steel can be divided into common color, pattern design, and texture.
So there are several factors that drive the price of color-coated steels. But generally, we do consider the basic raw materials for the steel and the thickness of the zinc layers. My name is David, and today let's talk about the factors affecting the price of color-coated steels. Um, like I said earlier, we do consider the basic materials for the steels. However, there are also several factors that comes to focus in determining the price of color coated steels. Okay, one is the thickness of the paint brain materials, the thickness of the steel core, and the packaging, which is one of the most important aspects. Okay, so the first aspect we're going to touch here is the factor of the thickness. So basically, the price is reliant on the variation of the zinc. That is to say, obviously, if you have a 20 gram of zinc, definitely the price of 20 gram won't be as expensive as the price of 50 gram. Okay, and if you do not have a specific requirement for the steel core, we do advise that you select 30 gram of steel cores. Yeah, 30 gram of steel cores, and there are also contents of aluminum that you're supposed to select from, and we also advise that you select at least 25% of aluminum content. Yeah, so the price also varies for aluminum content. But if the purpose of the steel cores, the coated steel core, is to be used in a tropical climate, or let's say in a wet or outdoor places, we do advise that you select higher contents of aluminum. So the second factors we have is the paint thickness and the paint brand. So basically, we have two types of painting: the simple painting and the double painting. Yeah. So the simple painting and double painting is kind of for the single painting, we have the thickness for the top and the back. So for the simple painting, the top and the back are not the same. So the thickness is 11 to 30 micrometer for the top and 5 to 10 for the back. But for the double painting, we have 11 to 30 micrometer for the top and the same for the back. So obviously, the simple painting has the price advantage because it is much cheaper. Yeah. So how about the painting brand? There are lots of painting brands. We have Nippon, we have Asgo, Noble Paint, but the most widely used one is PE resin paint. Yeah, it is quite affordable and it has the price advantage. Yeah, so it is widely used. So the rest of the other painting brands are top quality too. They are also efficient, but they comes with higher cost. So most of the people will go for the PE resin paint. So now, additionally, we do advise that you do select the paint brand and the paint thickness based on the application site, the site of application, and the environment of the steel cores. Yeah, the color coated steel cores. Yeah. So now the third factor is the basic thickness of the steel cores relatively to the price. Okay, so for this aspect, the thinner the coated steel, the higher the price. So the price of 0.13 to 1.6 to 0.16 is what I would say is relatively expensive than that of the price of 0.3 to 0.45. Okay, why? Because the thinner the coated steel thickness, the larger amount of I would say the larger area on the basis of the tone. Okay, on the basis of the amount of tone. So, and it also comes with long processing time, and it also exhausts more paint. So that's the main reason why the thinner it is, the expensive it gets. Okay, so the last factor here, which is one of the most important part, is the packaging. So for the packaging, we have the simple packaging, the standard export packaging, and the special packaging. Yeah. So basically, for the simple packaging, is where we use it for the for short distance transportation. So we use the waterproof craft paper for the outer surface, and this aspect is much cheaper and it's also what they use. Yeah. And for the standard packaging, it is mostly used for long distance transportation, and basically we use the craft paper, the waterproof craft paper on the outer surface, and also the galvanized iron on the outer surface. Okay, and it's also what they use, and the price is quite reasonable as well. For the last part, the last aspect of the packaging is the special packaging. So the special packaging is more like the vertical packaging, and where we consider customers' requirements. Okay, so this special packaging is where you have a specific requirement for your packaging, and then you address to us, and then we do our best for the protection of your materials. So that is that for today. Thanks for listening to us, and we hope to bring you more information on Powerson metals, materials, and packaging, and the information that you need to know about these products. Thank you for watching. Try and share this video, please. Like and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.